next area that I find that agents are having a huge problem with is their sphere. They just wait and stare at their little iPhone or Android. This would be a good social test to keep Chad overwhelmed. Hey, how many of you guys on the phone have an Android and how many of you guys have an iPhone? Go ahead and type it in the chat bar. If you have a BlackBerry, just feel free to hang up now. Sphere, the agents are just sitting there staring at their phone, waiting for people to call. Their sphere business is going down because they're not doing anything to work it. I consider my sphere like my field. It's up to me to plant the seeds and to water it and take care of it so that at some point in the year, I get to harvest that crop. My goal for every agent on my team is to make sure that they have a network of 1,000 people that they haven't met that they get to work. From that, they get to work 500 Mets, people that they actually know, or they have good contact information so they can tie a name to an email or a name to a phone number. I put the 500 Mets in the emails, my Arch Telecom leads, sign call leads, so on. The 200, that's my core sphere. If you're going to join my real estate team, you have to fill out a spreadsheet that has 200 names, email addresses, phone numbers, social network addresses listed. And if you guys want a copy of that spreadsheet that I have, go ahead and throw that up on the Facebook.com/IMS designation fan page and ask for it, and I'll have Chad throw it up there a little later today. From that 200 sphere, I'm going to identify a core group of people that are going to consistently give me those extra 20, 30, 40, 50 transactions every year. I call those the free deals. Now, I just saved you guys $400 a month in Brian Buffini coaching because you don't need it. What I'm saying is if you can get it down to this list, to this core group, this is all you got to do. You find a group of haven't mets and you email them, you postcard market to them, you do something cheap and easy. You get your Met group, the people that you've actually got contact information for, the people that you can tie your names and a piece of contact information to, and you mail them and you email them consistently. Your sphere, that core group, that 200 people, they're going to get mail, they're going to get emails, and they're going to get phone calls. And I'll go through how that breaks up consistently throughout the entire year. And then your core group, that good group of people that you love that are guaranteed to give you business, those are the people they're going to get mailed, called, emailed. And my goal is to get a couple of visits in with them personally every single year. That top 200 people, and if you're on the team and if you're on the call today and you have a team, I want to make sure you're encouraging every member of your team to follow this plan. 200 people. They email everybody once a week called Hey Real Estate Fans, a once a week email. They're going to mail everybody once a month, 200 people times 40 cents in stamps. What are we talking about, Chad? $80. They're going to invest $80 to make an extra 20 or 30 transactions. Are you kidding me? They're going to call everybody in their sphere once a month and actually ask for business. And then they're going to personally visit people 3 to 4 times a year. And by visit, I mean invite them to events that you're already going to, invite them to real estate events or classes, or go by their house. I like to invite people to things I'm already going to be at, so I don't have to do anything special. For instance, we're going to the outdoor cinema this day. We're going to be here at this event. Come with us, blah, blah, blah. If you do this, I guarantee you will add an extra 20 or 30 transactions to your business. You can't touch people this many times. Well, you can't touch people this many times personally. You'll go to jail. It'll be like a Michael Jackson video. You can't touch people this many times that are in your real estate business and they not think of you. You add all these things up, it equals 79 different touches in 1 year. That is a phenomenal amount of communications with the sphere. You do that to 200 people, you're guaranteed to get a ton of business.